Now, let's get some guys ready for this round of call. Okay, fellas? Does this work? And Robert, I think I'm off the program here, but Robert, ring my bell, is it? He's going to do his thing anyway, so listen to him. He's really good.
Before that, I don't know all the song. I just know it to ring my bell just to the end. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, darling, ring. You can ring my bell, ring my bell, darling, ring. Tonight, the whole night true. So come on, and let yourself be free.
Sensational, Robert. Very, very nice. Thank you very much.